Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are working with initial R blends. Remember, initial R blends is when two consonants are side by side before the vowel and one is the letter R. Our first word we're going to use with an initial R blend is trap. With your pencil, please write trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. The next word we're going to write with an initial R blend is drip. D-R-I-P. With your pencil, please write drip. D-R-I-P. Drip. Our next word is trot. T-R-O-T. Please write trot. T-R-O-T. Trot. Our next word is drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Then we have the word trim. T-R-I-M. Trim. T-R-I-M. Trim. Our next word is drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. Then we have the word fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. Our next word is crop. K-R-O-P. Crop. K-R-O-P. Crop. Our next word is bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. Our next word is drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. All right, my friends, now that we have written all of our initial R blends, we're going to go back and underline our initial R blends inside each word. So our first word up at the top again is trap. Our initial R blend is TR. Tur. Please underline your R blend. Next word down we have drip. Please underline your R blend. Dur. Next, we have trot. Please underline the initial R blend in trot. TR. Drop is our next word. Please underline the initial R blend. Dur. Next word is trim. Please underline your R blend. Initial means at the beginning. Trim. Back up at the top, we have the word drag. Please underline the initial R blend. Then we have fret. Fret means you worry about something. Fret. Please underline the initial R blend. Then we have crop. Please underline the initial R blend. Cur. Next word is bread. Please underline the initial R blend. Brr. And last is drum. Please underline the initial R blend. Dur. All right, my friends, please take out a blue and a red crayon because we are getting ready to color our vowels red and our consonants blue. So starting back at the top with the word trap with my red crayon, I am going to color my vowel red. Short A was my vowel in trap. And I'm going to color all my other letters blue because they are consonants. T is a consonant, R is a consonant, and P is a consonant. Next word is drip. Please color the vowel red. My vowel is short I. I. And my other three letters in the word drip are all consonants. So I will color them all blue. D, and P are all consonants. Then we have the word trot. My vowel will be colored aw, short O is red. And my other letters are all consonants. T, and T. Next I have the word drop. Please color the vowel red. Short O says aw. And my other three letters are all consonants. My next word is trim. Please color my vowel red. Short I says I. That's my vowel. And my T is a consonant. Is a consonant. And is a consonant. All right, my friends, you are going to pause the video and you are going to finish coloring vowels and consonants on the last 5 words: drag, fret, crop, bread, and drum. Pause your video now and please color your vowels red, consonants blue. When you're finished, you can unpause the video to double check your work. All right, my friends, you should be able to check your work compared to mine. I bet you did just great. Go ahead and turn your paper over. Today we are working with TR initial blend, tur. We are going to color the TR words. Our first word is tram. Do you see the TR blend? The initial R blend? Yes, it is right there. Next word is flag. Do you see the TR blend? Nope, so we are not going to color it. The third word is train. Do you see the initial R blend tur in train? Yes, so we are going to color it. Next word is chin. We do not have the TR blend, so we're not going to color it. Next word is slat. Do you see the TR blend in slat? Nope. Next word is truck. Do you see the TR blend in truck? Yes, we do. Go ahead and color it. Next word is trap. Do you see the TR blend in trap? Yes, right at the initial part of the word. Good job. Then we have track. Yep, track also has that TR blend. Last line, we have trot. Does the trot have TR blend? Yep, at the very beginning, at the initial part of the word, trot. Next word is trim. Does trim have the TR blend? Yes, at the beginning. Next word is prop. Does prop have the TR blend? No, it doesn't, so we're not going to color it. Next word is glad. Does glad have the TR initial blend? No, so we're not going to color it. Next, we're going to do spin, read, and write. So you will need to get a paper clip, and you will pause the video and spin your paper clip 8 times to write 8 different words that you land on. If you land on the same word twice, that's okay. You may write it 2 times. Please pause the video to do spin, read, and write. Way to go, boys and girls, on spin, read, and write. We are now going to do word bank together as a team. Our first word is trot. T-r-ot, trot. I know I need 4 boxes. Tall, short, short, tall. Oh, I see that right here at the bottom. T-r-ot, trot. Cross it off when you're done. Next word is truck. T-r-u-c, truck. I need a tall, short, 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 tall. Right here at the top. T-r-u-c, truck. Cross it off when you're done. Next word is trap. T-r-ap, trap. 4 letters. Tall, short, short, basement. That P is a basement letter. Right here at the top. T-r-ap, trap. Then I have the word train. T-r-a-n, train. I need 1 tall letter and 4 short letters. Right here at the bottom. T-r-a-n, train. Cross it off when we're done. Last word is trim. T-r-i-m, trim. T-r-i-m. Way to go, boys, girls. You did great.